Welcome to FacilityBot. In this video, we will walk you through the predictive maintenance feature in Asset Insights. FacilityBot's Asset Insights allows users to analyze historical maintenance data and generate recommendations on whether an asset should be repaired or replaced. By leveraging completed checklists and asset information, the system provides data-driven guidance to support maintenance decisions and cost optimization. For better predictions, ensure the asset has 10 to 20 properly completed checklists. Checklist data should be consistent, realistic, and reflective of actual conditions over time. To configure this feature, log in to the FacilityBot web portal. Go to Features, then Assets. Hover over the relevant asset and click on the History icon. Navigate to the Insights tab. Enter the prompt. Predict if this asset will fail in the near future. Click Generate. Asset Insights evaluates trends in checklist responses over time. It reviews the frequency and pattern of minor issues. It identifies gradual degradation signals. It then provides a risk prediction or likelihood of failure. It highlights key warning indicators. It suggests preventive actions. This feature enables teams to identify early warning signs before breakdowns occur, plan preventive maintenance activities, minimize downtime and operational disruptions, and improve overall asset reliability and performance. By relying on well-maintained checklist data, predictive maintenance focuses on anticipating future failures and provides a proactive, data-driven approach to managing assets more effectively. Thank you for watching. For more guides, visit FacilityBot Help Center or reach out to our support team.